Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm gonna be showing you all how to make some healthy gummy bears. Now, these are not hard to make. You just need the right ingredients and the right molds to do this. So let's take a look at the ingredients first. You're gonna need some type of juice. I usually use pure tart cherry, and then today I'm gonna use this lemonade mango flavor. Now you need a cup of juice. Today I'm making two, so 1 cup of the cherry and 1 cup of the lemonade. A 1/3 cup of beef gelatin. Now I use the Vital Proteins. You are gonna need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1/2 cup of honey. All right, so here are the molds that I use. I have tiny little ones. Now these don't just have bears, these have other animals like froggies, monkeys. They're so much fun to eat. And then I also got these off of Amazon. These are the Wow Goodies. They are the medium-sized gummy bears that I usually make. And then last but not least, I also use these because they've got other shapes. Like we've got the ring gummies, we've got the worm gummies. So you guys, I will have the Amazon link down below. Go check out which mold you want. Okay, so let's get making our healthy gummy bears. All right, so what you're gonna start out with is a pan. Now it is awesome to have it with a pour spout so it doesn't drip anywhere and you can really pour this mixture into the molds. Now you don't need to have this, but it just makes it a lot easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of our tart cherry juice in here. And then I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of the beef gelatin. Grab a whisk and mix these two together. Now the juice should become a little bit thicker. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Now this is gonna start to dissolve the gelatin into the juice. So what you wanna do is you wanna keep mixing this so it's all blended together and it's nice and liquidy and not so thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my heat. This is where you get to add in your honey, and you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So I just do 1 full-size lemon. Go ahead and mix everything together. So now our cherry mixture is all done. I'm gonna do the same thing with our lemon mango. Now on to the molds. So there are 2 ways to do this. You could either use your pan with the spout and literally you just go in and pour each individual little gummy. Or you could use a dopper. So grab a whole bunch and pour it in each mold. It is definitely faster this way. Now, once you're done pouring the mixture in all of these molds, I grab the biggest pan I have, which is this one, and I put some of them very carefully. But after this, we're gonna refrigerate them, or you can put them outside if it's cold enough, and put them out there until they're all set. All right, I'm gonna start putting these in. All right, let's go ahead and take these out because they are all set. I'm gonna grab a bowl and start popping these out. All right, last little circle going in. So these are all of the gummies that we made today. From this big mold, we got this huge gummy bear. It's a lot thicker. From this teddy bear mold, we got a medium-sized gummy bear. And then we have like these ring gummy bears, which are fun. Worm gummy bears. And if you don't like a lot in your mouth, you can buy these little tiny molds. And they have little characters. We've got a little penguin. Guys, thank you all so much for watching this video on how to make healthy gummy bears. I hope you guys all enjoyed it, and until next time, bye!